I'm going to share with you guys tonight is how to quickly build a sales funnel inside GetResponse. You can actually try GetResponse for 30 days free, and if you're looking for a cheaper solution to building your sales funnel, if you're an affiliate marketer like I am, sales funnels are needed just like any other business, and and I've been using a lot of different methods to build sales funnels. However, I really like how easy and simple it is to do it in GetResponse. And like I said, they give you a 30-day trial to mess around with this. So let's go ahead and, so how you do this is, so you come in here and you go to the top. You see this little icon up here at the top. You click on that and you would go to Autofunnel. So one more time, you can see all this stuff in here. So you can see all the stuff they have in here. They have webinars, automation, autoresponders, email marketing, Autofunnel, which is the sales funnel, was the creator we're going to use, landing pages, and all. So basically, this kind of takes all this, and all this stuff is right here and under the Autofunnel. Let's see how easy this is to do. So I got Autofunnel, and I'm going to select a list. I'm going to affiliate marketing list, and I just hit create funnel. All right, so I'm going to give my name. So we're going to be doing the Ever Zippy webinar creator. So I'll give that a name. And I want to build a list because I'm an affiliate marketer. I want to build a list. So it's a little different than selling a product. Selling a product is like you have an actual product you're selling. And then, or if I want to get more leads, say I am giving away a free offer, or I have, I'm doing some kind of, I'm helping somebody launch their product. I might want to do a webinar, and I could create that funnel here. But I want to go ahead and just build a list. So I'm going to hit create. All right. So it's funny. They have it actually shaped like a funnel. All right. So the first thing I want to do is create a sign-up page. And they have a lot of these different templates in here. They have ebooks, online courses. It really doesn't matter. You can transfer these to anything, or you can just start with scratch. That's fine. Let's go ahead and use this one right here. I'm going to select this template because it has a video in it, and I like to use videos. All right, they're going to see your landing page and your thank you page, what they look like. All right, so we'll go next step. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this right out of the way. I'm going to fix my pop-up. It says don't leave just yet. I would put some kind of scarcity, but I'm just going to be at least check it out before you leave. Well, you would put something like in here, limited time. Check this out before it's gone forever. Some kind of scarcity. I'm sure you can come up with something better than that. But do you want to find some kind of scarcity? I'm just kind of playing around here. So at least check out before you go. At least check it out. There we go. All right. So and boom, I got that done. And you can make that better. Like I said, we would do a whole lot better. I'm going to get rid of this up here. I don't like that. Okay. So there we are. And all this down here is, if you want to add it, I'm not going to. I'm just going to get rid of it. I mean, there's a lot of things on here you can add, and so I'm just going to get rid of all this bottom stuff, just making a simple form. Boom, show you how easy it is. Alright, so here we are. We got a video and our capture. We want to capture their information, right? So, alright, so I got all their information in here. I got my pop-up set. I got the header, I got my text, I got my video, and I've got my capture information here. So I want to, since this is an affiliate product, after they say, okay, yeah, I want to know more, take them over here to our thank you page. Go to your thank you page. Change all this. Alright, I'll put a button in here. And this is where you, now, as an affiliate, this is where you put your, now a lot of people, you can send, you're going to set up an email as well. But you can go ahead and just say, all right, here, they already signed into your list. All right, you're going to send them an email. So go ahead and they want to see the product. So go ahead and put the button here. All right. Don't just send, if you're an affiliate marketer, this is why you build a sales funnel. You just don't send people to an affiliate offer. First of all, you can't really post affiliate links all over the place, but you can post your link to your GetResponse page all over the place, no problem. All right, so. All right, boom. And then link it, web address, and I would get my link for this product. Bam, and I was just opening the same window, don't really matter to me. Alright. Make sure that's in there. Yep. Alright, so here we are. I'm done with the thank you page. And next up, and here, I'm not going to do it. You would put in page title. You know, it's ever zippy. Blah, blah, blah. You know, if you do SEO page title. Demo. Alright, and then description, you know, just put you know, you come up with anything for your, with something, you know, whatever. You don't, so you can come down here, I'm not going to do it right now, but you can put in all these analytics, Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Bing Ads, I mean, it's all right here. They even have the AdWord conversion tracking here. So all that can be done, but I'm not going to get into that. That's when you talk about actually, you know, driving traffic and all that. We're talking about building a sales funnel, but you can see that's here. So we'll go ahead and hit publish, and then bam. Next you would do is you would create an email. You know, message name. This is something they won't see. And I'm just going to make it easy, you know, thank you for your interest. Oops. I can't spell tonight. I'll just fucking autocorrect it. Thank you for your interest in EverZippy. Alright. Next. And we'll just do a, you know, regular blank template here. So you just pick one. I laid these ones on here from scratch. Just go from, you know, choose this template. Or any of them. There's a bunch of them to choose from, you know. I'm just going to make a really simple email just to show you. I'm going to get rid of this. This is where you would put your logo. Now, you can, of course, you can make your emails a lot more compelling. I'm just showing you how this flows, how easy it is to create, and I'm an idiot. So I did a link here. I'll go get, make sure, have this again, get my affiliate link, copy, boom. Paste, title, EverZippy. Okay. Alright, so our funnel is done. So we want to see it. They give me, you can see here, they give me my own unique web address. Of course, I can use this, cloak it. And here we are. Here's the page. Here's what it looks like. So turn your videos into full-blown lead generation and sales machines a day. There's the video. You can see it plays.
Hey, how's it going? It's me.
Boom. Enter your info below. Of course, you could do better with the spacing than I did. And then you put in a name. I'll say Freddie. And I'll put an email in here. Mad. Well, I guess I should put one of mine in there so you can see what it looks like. I'll use my wife's hat. You guys can all email her crazy shit. She'll love it. Alright. And I won't know more about EverZippy. You can see how the flow of this, and it says, you know, we just created this. Click here, and bam, it takes me to the sales page. Now, I'm going to click on the sales page, show you that it took me right to that sales page, that JB Zoo I put in there. Now we'll go look at my wife's email, and there is the email. It's that quick, autoresponder. So you can see how quick and easy it is to use GetResponse So you can see how easy it is to build a sales funnel inside GetResponse, and GetResponse gives you 30 days free to try it out. So, and it's a lot. And if after 30 days you want to stay with it, it's a hell of a lot less expensive. It's a hell of a lot cheaper than like Kartra or Kajabi or ClickFunnels, where I think Kartra I think is $79 a month. ClickFunnels is I think $97 a month, and then you got Kajabi, which starts somewhere around $100 and something a month. This is a heck of a lot cheaper. I want to say that it's 50% less than all of those products out there. That's how much cheaper it is than all those products. But like they said, it gives you 30 days to let them. They give you 30 days to let you use this for free. So why not give it a try? I've left some links below the video so you can get started.